So in this problem, what it's asking us to do is it says if f of x and g of x are already in this composition, so if you see h of x is equal to the f of g. So what's going on over here is this composition has already taken place, and what it's really asking you is if it says you know that g of x, the one that's on the inside of the function, is x minus 9, then what's the outside function f of x? So the easiest way to do this right here is let's go ahead and let's take this function. I'm going to write it 1 over. And then we know that the g of x is equal to x minus 9, right? So we see we have this x minus 9 in the denominator there. So that's been inside the composition. It's already constructed for us. In some of the other problems, you had to go find f of g or g of f. Here they're giving it to you, and it's asking you, okay, if I've already given it to you composed, how do we work backwards to find our original function? Well, what's going to happen is really what we end up doing is, let's see if I can highlight this. You just figure out whatever is the g of x. Just go ahead and take that out and replace it with x. So since I'm going to take this whole function of f of x minus 9 out, we got to replace that with x. And so that's how we know that the f of x is equal to 1 over x. Now how do you go back and check what your work is? Well, if we have the f of x is 1 over x and the g of x is x minus 9, remember to find f circle g of x, what you do is we take that function f, which is 1 over, and then wherever you see this x, it's like we're plugging g in there, so x minus 9. And you see we kind of work backwards, right? So we can go the other direction. So what you end up doing is, again, one more time, just identify, they tell you what this g of x is, just go ahead and kind of just erase it or whatever, highlight it, whatever you need to do, and then whatever that was, that's going to become just an x in the next